Hi there, and welcome to my channel. Have you ever been frustrated by costs piling up when setting up automated content generation system? I know I have. Recently, I was trying to set up an automated content generation system with RSS feed. The idea was to use services like RSS.app to pull in content automatically into my workflow, saving me tons of time. Then I hit another paywall, another subscription fee, monthly fee. And guess what? If you have multiple tools, multiple automation tools like me, you know that cost can add up really, really fast. So I thought to myself, there has to be another way. And guess what? There was another way. And all thanks to ChatGPT. So today I'm going to show you a method that allow you to track news and pull in content on a specific topic into your workflow automatically and generate blog posts and social media posts. If you are a small business or a content creator, this method will save you both time and money. So let's just jump in. Now, let me walk you through the method. Suppose you want to track news events and then have the automated system create blog posts and social media content. I am going to track the topics of interest to me in this Google Sheet. And whenever news happen, I want to generate a blog post. So going back to make.com, make.com is what I'm going to use for the system, automated system. And I have already pre-populated these modules to save us some time. So for this Google Sheet, what I want is to pick up information under this sheet name, and I want to process one thing at a time. So let's move this. So one thing at a time for the purpose of this video. And so this is actually the focus today. So ChatGPT generating RSS feed from us for us, and this is how it is set up. I didn't want to make this video very long, so I pre-populated. So there is a system prompt, first of all. This is important. When I did the prompt without these two, it didn't generate the URL correctly, so I have to add this to encode the URL, and then it did it correctly. So, and it is to pick up information from our Google Sheets in the column A, keywords, and based on that, it will generate an RSS feed. And the RSS, this module, the RSS module is going to retrieve items based on the URL ChatGPT generated. And this is the only thing we need to add here. So the where to get the information and then the date from which to start. And after it has that, what I wanted to do is to have it generate a blog title, and I can use ChatGPT for that. You can use Claude or any LLM that you want, but this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to use GPT-4o. And here I gave it only a user prompt, and this is the prompt. The prompts, I am not going to read it word for word, just not to waste time. So you can read it here. So it's going to pick up the title of the articles from the RSS feed module, and then the URL also from there. And then it's going to generate an SEO optimized article title. This is just for a title. And then after it generates a title, I wanted to generate the blog itself, the main body of the blog. So when you break down a task in smaller pieces for ChatGPT, it performs better. So here I gave it another prompt to generate the article, the blog post, and to use information in previous module. This is coming from the RSS module, the URL for the article, and then the title is what we just generated with ChatGPT. And because we had the titles, I also added in the prompt not to generate another title because we had that already, and to limit that to 1,000 words. And maximum token is 0, so this way it will go up to the limit, but because we constrain it, we don't have to worry about tokens. It's going to stop at 1,000 words or around 1,000 words. Sometimes it's not exact. So this is for the purpose of this video, I'm stopping here, but what you can do is add another module to create an image for the blog, and then another module to create a WordPress blog, a WordPress post. It can post directly to WordPress. You need to connect your WordPress account and it will post directly. So additional things you can do is to also ask it to generate posts for Instagram, for X, for LinkedIn. And if you connect those accounts, so it will do that. And you can also generate an image for Instagram, for the Instagram post. And so, yeah, so this is, I wanted to just focus on the RSS feed portion and how you don't need to pay RSS.app to do that. And so you save some monthly fees there. So if you found this video, if you found the information in this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and encourage me to create more content to show how you can automate your business and scale and save money. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have another comment. And thank you for hanging out with me today. I will see you in the next video. Take care.